I mean, negative numbers are, negative angles are perfectly legal. What does negative mean as far as an angle is concerned? It's going in the clockwise, anti-clockwise, counterclockwise direction? Yeah, that's all it means. Yeah, that's all it means. Do you want me to do it still?
Oh, I still don't know.
Yeah, well, let's go ahead and do it. Okay, let me go get a blank slate here. And number 67, page 256, 456. Okay. And so it's saying write the trig forms of the complex numbers, perform the indicated operation, use trig forms, and perform indicated operation using tanh forms. So it wants you to do it both ways, okay? All right, so 2 minus 2i and 1 plus I. So the first thing it wants you to do is to write each number in trig form, okay? So I'm going to use red pen for this guy. So r is equal to square root of 4 plus 4, which is equal to 2 root 2. Okay? Theta is equal to tangent inverse. No, can never leave it as square root of 8. I take a point off for that. Yeah, really. Thou shalt always simplify radicals. 30 minutes. Yeah, thou shalt always simplify radicals. Like for, then you can say, hey, why can't I leave square root of 4? Right? Do you see what I'm saying? I mean, if it doesn't work for that, it doesn't work for square root of 8. Yeah. Okay? And then tangent inverse is b over a. So what's b equal to, Laura? -2. What's a equal to? Which is equal to -1. What quadrant does this number lie in? So it's 2 minus 2. It's 2 minus 2. It's in this quadrant here. It's in this quadrant here. My bad. Can't help it if I'm big, man. Jeez, wow.
Broad shoulders.
No, it's all them. Oh man, that bill is popping out. I'm so disgusted with it. Shit, I don't know what to do. I've been trying to lose like 6 pounds for years now. I just can't seem to get it off. But I think what's happened is that I've really cut down my cardio a lot. Okay. So Laura, what's the angle?
45.
You speak radians? 7 pi over 4. Did you guys see that? The angle you are telling me is this angle here is pi over 4 from your friend's table. But you want the angle that I show you in the arrow. So the angle is 7 pi over 4. So the red number turns out to be 2 root 2 cosine 7 pi over 4 plus I sine 7 pi over 4. Okay? Now you might have, I don't know, you might have gone with cosine minus pi over 4. Did you do that? You could have gone cosine minus pi over 4 because this way the angle would be negative. That would be legal. Okay, so that's why I'm wondering where you got the negative angle from.
Well, I was talking about 65 because I got a negative number, but then it said that my number wasn't the right number.
Number 65, you should have gotten 54 minus 102.
Yeah.
Yeah, and then see how, if you look at their answer, they've added 360 to it. Well, they added 360 because they want a positive angle in there.
But if we're allowed to do the other one, why do you need a positive?
The book might not allow you to do the other way, is what it looks like to me.
So what was the answer before they made it positive?
Whatever 54 minus 102 is. 58? 48? 48?
So I was right.
Yeah, but you might want to follow the convention that's laid out there where they want positive angles there. Okay, and then this guy here, what is r equal to? Square root of 2, 1 plus 1. Okay, theta is equal to tangent inverse of 1 over 1, which is pi over 4. So then the black complex number turns out to be equal to, so let me call this guy Z2 and call the other guy Z1. Okay, so Z2 is equal to root 2 times cosine pi over 4 plus I sine pi over 4. Okay? You with me on that? And now we are timesing the 2. So the rules that I gave you yesterday, when you times, what do? Multiply the r's, so that becomes 4. Okay? And what do you do with the angles? Add, so what's 7 pi over 4 plus pi over 4? 2 pi. And the other angle's always got to be the same, so that's 2 pi as well. And we can go ahead and simplify this, okay? If they want you to leave the answer in trig form, let's see, is that what they want you to do in 67? Can you guys look at the back and see how they've left the answer? Did they leave it with cosine 2 pi or did they change that? Because 2 pi is a friendly angle, right? What's cosine 2 pi equal to? No, what's cosine 2 pi equal to? Uno? Everybody with John on that? Yeah. So then this becomes 4, 1 plus what sine 2 pi equal to? 0. So that's your answer. Okay, and to do it the old-fashioned way in this thing here, okay, you're going to go like this and that, that and that. Just is 4? Yeah. So what they've done is they've realized that cosine 2 pi is 1, sine 2 pi is 0, and done this math and give you this answer. Yeah, simply, you know what, let's do the rules, okay? If I tell you leave the answer in trig form, leave it in trig form, okay? Unless I tell you give me the answer, even if it's like pi over 2 or 3 pi, you know, okay? Well, I times 0 is 0. Anything times 0 is 0, okay? And then, do you want me to do the old-fashioned way, or are you okay on the old-fashioned way? The foiling stuff? You good on that? Okay. So everybody all right? Yeah, Soleil? 70? 70? Okay.